Traditional processing. In the early days in South Africa, the indigenous people didn't have processed materials like concrete, glass, and plastic. They only had natural materials like clay and grass in their environment to work with. This meant that they had to think of clever ways to use these natural materials. The natural materials had to be processed in order to make all of the things that people needed. These things included clay pots, baskets, hats, bricks, and thatched roofs. Grass and reeds were processed to use for traditional weaving and thatching. Once the items like baskets, roofs, and mats were made, they were dyed and interesting patterns were woven into them to make them more beautiful. The indigenous people also learned to harden wood and bones to make tools or weapons, for example, knives and spears. Other materials had to be cleverly sourced to make useful things. The indigenous people knew which materials were the best to use for clothes, blankets, and beds.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.